The December 2020 issue of Railway Modeller is now on sale, packed full with all the latest news and reviews from the railway modelling world. Highlights in this issue include Glaisden, Ian Worthington's ex-Lancashire and Yorkshire Mainline in EM. St John's, Paul Warden's South Devon inspired Great Western Branchline in 00. And Gilestown and Ballyharry, Michael Martin's jam-packed Irish Mainline and much more. Projects in this month's issue include making a starting O with Chris Ford as he begins the construction of a layout in 7mm designed to encourage those who are looking to embark on their own modelling journey in the larger scale. And recreating the Somerdale Sentinel. Following our recent Plan of the Month article on Fry Somerdale, we show you how to create the Chocolate Factory signature Sentinel in miniature. Reviews in this month's issue include the eagerly anticipated Midland Railway 1532 class from Batman, the all-new Stanier 8F from Graham Farish, and Murphy's Models Irish Class 121, plus much more. But that's not all. In a Railway Modeller exclusive, we take a look at an exciting weekend of railway modelling with a preview of the Worley National 2020 Virtual Model Railway Exhibition due to broadcast over the weekend of the 28th and 29th of November. Grab your copy of the December 2020 issue of Railway Modeller, on sale from the 12th of November.